So, I think the nest was up there. You know, right where the concrete meets the glass of the rest of the building. I mean, if there even was a nest, I'd just assume that the bird fell straight down. You know, I came walking past and he was just, you know, he was there directly below it. He wasn't a baby bird. I didn't even realize he was hurt at first. I thought he was searching for food, but then I noticed. He wasn't walking. He was flapping. One wing, wasn't going very far. So this woman walks by, and she sees me staring at the bird. She says, "What's wrong?" And I say to her, "Well, I think he's hurt." And then she said, "What are you going to do about it?" I was like, "I don't know. I mean, if that's his nest, I don't want to take him away from it, but, well, I can't really put him back there either, so I left him."